Student Coin introduces a new ecosystem network based on blockchain technology with a focus on introducing technology to academics. Student Coin is the first university-derived project in the world connecting communities of academics and investors, allowing for the creation of individualized STC-based tokens for schools, organizations, startups, and individuals. Guys, you know that the STC token is currently being sold through an initial coin offering ICO. The token sale started in February and will last until April 30th. The team behind the project has already raised $29 million through a series of funding phases, and with each finished phase, each phase has a $750K hard cap. Joining the ICO allows investors to access the token early and can have other benefits. Through a unique referral link, investors can earn 20% of the Ethereum ETH invested by people who sign up via their referrals, alongside 30% of their STC purchases. Referrals get an additional 5% on their purchase. You will need to sign up at the STC Launchpad ICO website and generate your unique ref link in the affiliate section. All you need to do is to send your unique ref link via private message, post in your social media, video or article in your community. They will reward you for every investor from your recommendation. It's worth nothing that on the open market the price of the STC token has already started surging, while during the token sale STC tokens were being sold for a little over $0.01 on Winsap, Waves Exchange, Canada Exchange, and CoinTiger. They are now trading at $0.02 to $128. STC Ecosystem. The student coin ecosystem also have various benefits and other unique features such as terminal and exchange, which makes the multipurpose ecosystem. STC Terminal, a software used by student organizations, schools, and universities to develop and manage their custom-made tokens. STC Exchange, a publicly available crypto exchange where custom-made university tokens can be traded with the student coin. STC. STC Exchange can also support fundraising by university startups. As example, student coin offerings SCO, and also allows STC users to analyze its market performance. Student App. The Student App is a global mobile app for iOS and Android platforms. The app is an international student wallet to enable students to store, trade, or use tokens created in the STC Terminal for utilities at university facilities or online. This is the roadmap. The development and formation of the student coin platform follows a roadmap which contains more information about the development and dates of important events that will take place on the student coin platform, and which will allow you to borrow more and make the right decisions. The student coin team consists of 44 people from 12 countries. The team is divided into the core team leaders, technical team, marketing team, STC ambassadors, and the advisory board. Here are the selected members of the core team and advisory board. Do you know that due to the presence of a large number of partners, the platform receives great support, which means its development will be more successful. Student Coin is no exception and already has a number of partners who are helping the development and adoption of the platform around the world.